So now for the living room, we have another custom piece. We have this custom coffee table, which has more of the Russian oak with resin, with a little bit of black coloring to make it not fully see-through. We have these 2 couches. These are from Burrow. This was probably another mistake of mine on this build. I probably should have put more expensive couches. I think I've gotten a couple complaints that maybe this could be a little bit nicer or more luxury, but you should make sure to put plenty of throw pillows, throw blankets. I've since added, bean bags and these little round kumbaya chairs. That adds a little bit of seating occupancy. Now, maybe another little mistake I made was putting the TV so high. We have a propane fireplace that's really cool and keeps the place really, really nice and cozy and warm in the winter. I think the TV actually should have been mounted here. When I was watching it last night, it was a little bit like, I think that's a mistake of the 2000s. A lot of people put their TVs above their wood stove, above their fireplace. So I think you shouldn't do that.